Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to use Ideogram AI for t-shirt designs 2026. First, open the Ideogram AI website and log into your account. After that, go to the search or prompt box and enter your t-shirt design idea. For example, you can use prompts for typography, anime, vintage, or motivational style designs. The more detailed and clear your prompt is, the better the generated design will be. Now click on the Generate button, and Ideogram AI will create multiple t-shirt design ideas for you within a few seconds. You can choose the design you like the most, and if needed, you can edit the prompt and generate more variations. Once you find the perfect design, download it in high quality. After that, you can use the design for t-shirt printing or your print-on-demand business. And that's it. This is how you can easily create professional t-shirt designs using Ideogram AI. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.